smoke filled up the morning air. Got my trusty chainsaw and a heavy-duty pair of goggles on my face and a piece of soaking wood. This log of wet maple isn't looking very good. The blade is getting bogged down in the soggy grain, trying to find the beauty through the struggle and the pain. But I'm carving out a feather for this giveaway, turning all the trouble into something for display. From a jagged little star to a delicate design, watch the maple wood begin to shimmer and to shine. Yeah, it's pretty dang sweet when the work is finally done, carving out a feather underneath the morning sun. Trace the tiny lines, adding every detail where the spirit soul defines. Each little vein is perfect and the stem is straight and true. It's amazing what a little bit of patience here can do. I'm wiping on a stain now, a dark walnut hue, watching all the patterns and the ripples coming through. Yeah, I'm carving out a feather for this giveaway, turning all the trouble into something for display. From a jagged little star to a delicate design,